So when Tim and I were in Barcelona, we had these beautiful patatas bravas, which are a staple at any tapas restaurant, whether you're abroad or whether you're in the States. They're these gorgeous, spicy, crispy potatoes that they serve at tapas restaurants, which we would consider like a small plate or an appetizer. And I thought, how can I get more bravas into my patatas? How can I get more spice and crunch into my potato? Enter my crosshatch patatas bravas. So delicious, so crispy, and I'm going to serve a cool sauce because you're going to kind of need it to tame that spice.
Okay, for the spicy bravas mixture, you need smoked paprika, garlic powder, chili flake, these are Aleppo chili flake, and salt. Mix it all together. I microwaved my potato for 3 minutes and then let it cool, and then I'm slicing it into coins. The coins I'm going to cut in a cross-hatch pattern. And a little bit of the spice mixture on my baking pan. And I'm going to layer the potatoes. And then I'm going to do more olive oil. And then go to town and layer on the spice mixture. And rub it in. We're going to roast these at 400 until they're done and crispy. For the sauce, you mix yogurt, a squeeze of lemon, and some honey, and then thyme. Just strip the thyme off.